When I brought this old Ditch Witch home, everyone told me I couldn't lose. It was free. 4 months later, I've spent over $7,500, countless hours in the workshop, and I'm still asking myself whether this machine was a bargain or the biggest mistake I've ever dragged home. The deeper I got into the rebuild, the more problems I uncovered. Every part I removed revealed another component that had been neglected for years. What looked like a simple restoration quickly turned into rebuilding the machine from the inside out. This stage of the project focused on bringing the drivetrain back to life. I installed new chain links and reassembled the gearbox, making sure every tooth, shaft, and bearing was properly aligned and functioning as intended. I carefully aligned the pulleys to restore proper belt tracking, replaced worn U-joints that had long since reached the end of their life, and rebuilt the major driveline components one piece at a time. Every adjustment had to be precise because even the smallest misalignment could cause bigger failures once the machine was back under load.